Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to install Pixel 3 ROM. Basically turn your phone into a Pixel. I've just freshly installed this. I ain't installed anything on it yet, so I thought I'd show you. Let's do it. What we're going to install is the ROM, obviously, custom recovery, the Gcam mod, so you get the Pixel camera, and the Magisk root if you want that. Also the live wallpapers, I'll put the link to them in the description. So first thing you're going to want to do is back up your device, however you back it up. It's pretty straightforward. You've got your Google Photos to back up all your photos, that's what I use. I use SMS backup and restore. On SMS backup and restore, enable Google Drive and save it to there. And then for your personal files, just copy them to your computer, because this will, if you've not already unlocked your bootloader, it will erase everything from there. So first thing you want to do, I know I've got Pixel ROM, but it's the same thing if you're on Oxygen OS, same stuff. So you go to your settings, go to About Phone, and then for the build number you just keep pressing it. It'll come up with a pin, put your pin in, and now you've got developer settings. As you can see, you want to allow OEM unlocking. I've already got it unlocked, so that's probably why it's not showing up here. And you want to allow USB debugging. Excuse me. So you want to allow. Obviously download everything in the description. Should be a total of 5 files, maybe 6 if I remember to install, to include the live wallpapers. Your all-in-one tool, it comes as a zip file. You want to extract it to the desktop, and then just, you don't have to, but it helps if you put everything together so you know what's what. You want to click your all-in-one folder, go down to the app, down here, right click and run it as administrator, and then it'll be open for you like that. Now you want to plug in your USB into your device and then allow always from this computer. Make sure you check that box, press OK. Checking that box saves you from pressing OK every single time. Now it shows up as an ADB device. This is where it's important to back everything up, because now you're going to unlock your bootloader using that button there. Mine's already unlocked, so I'm not going to do it. Press unlock, then press yes. Fill focus. That'll take you to your fast boot and unlock your bootloader. On your phone, it'll come up with some sort of warning. Just press yeah and let it do its thing. Then once that's done, it should reboot to a stock Oxygen OS, whatever version you're on. Just skip everything it's set up. Don't add a pin, don't add a password, don't add a fingerprint, don't add anything like that. Go straight to here, back into your settings, and then enable USB debugging again, like I showed you before, and OEM unlocking, if you like. I don't think you really need to, but just enable it in case. Then what you're going to want to do, once you're back on here, there is other ways to do this, but I prefer this way, it's just straightforward. Copy your Twrp and your Pixel Experience ROM to your device. If it's not showing up on your computer, you need to change the, excuse me, camera's not best on it gold. Change your connection from charging to file transfer, and then it should pop up here. Mine's just loading and installing drivers. There it is. This laptop's really slow as well, so yours might be quicker if you've got a better laptop or computer or Mac. But I don't know if this tool is out for Mac OS, by the way. you might want to double check. I should have mentioned that from the start. I'm using this on Windows, as you can see. So once that's done and it's all ready, copy your 2 files that I said before. I don't need to do it. Actually, yeah, well, if it's secret, let me just. For me, I'm going to copy them all because I don't need to. I don't need to decrypt my device, which is what you're going to do soon. So if you excuse me a second, I'm just going to put them in my downloads. So just basically to copy this, you won't need to copy them all, like I said, just you want to copy TWRP and your Pixel Experience ROM. That's all you want, because we're going to do it a bit different way. A lot of people tell you to decrypt your device before you install the ROM and then transfer the ROM over using ADB or something like that. I think that's pointless. It takes more time, personally, I reckon. Just wait for that to finish, then I'll boot up into TWRP and show you what to do. And show you how you can boot into TWRP as well. So once them 2 files are copied to your phone, you want to go back to all-in-one tool. This is after you've unlocked your bootloader, so that side of it's done. Then you want to click Recovery Flasher and Root. Then you want to select Manual Mode, TWRP, Open, only boot it, then press Flash. I've already done this, so I'm not sure if I want to do it again, but I don't think it'll let anything, so I'll just press it. Then it'll come up with that, press yes, and it'll reboot your device, as you can see. Into this mode, it'll wait for your device to load up, boot, pressing the key to continue, then your device will boot into there. Then you want to go on install image, ignore the shouting if you can. Find your folder where you've installed it. I've installed it in downloads. You can install it into your internal storage if you want. Once it's there, press recovery, swipe to confirm flash. That's done then. Now you want to reboot, recovery, do not install. This is just to make sure it's like booting into TWRP fine, which it will. Give it a sec. There you go. It might actually swipe to allow modifications, whatever. I've already done that. You should make a backup. I don't need to. Well, I do, but to save time I don't, because I've already got a backup on my laptop. So once you've backed up, swipe to backup. Leave all them settings there as they are. Once it's done, it'll take a while. Just go into restore and double check it's there. You should have a file. So that's that done. Then you want to go to wipe, advanced wipe, Dalvik, cache, data, system, swipe to wipe. I'm not going to do that. And then install Pixel Experience OnePlus 3. Then once that's installed, you want to go back to wipe. See, this is the way around that other people do it. I prefer it this way. Then you want to format data. Type yes, press format. Now, you're not going to have anything on here. This is why I said only copy 2 files. You're not going to have this, you're not going to have that. So once that's wiped, reboot, copy everything here back into your external storage on your phone. Then once that's done, you can install Magisk and then the camera app if you want. So yeah, we're going to reboot. I'm not installing Magisk just yet. For you, boot will take a bit longer than mine because I've already booted up and entered my details. So this should be alright to unplug now. quick for you, like I say. It'll take a while. If you've got a multi-SIM device, that'll last you that. If you've got OnePlus 3T, more than likely you have. Once you've installed all your details, this is what you boot up to. Nothing there, nothing much. You've got basic Google apps. Obviously, restore all your stuff how you want. Download whatever apps you want. And I'll show you a few of the settings. Gestures. You're used to them gestures if you're coming from a OnePlus device. You know, circle for your camera and V for your flashlight and stuff. If you go into system, you've got your gestures there. Swipe up on home button. I haven't figured out yet how to get on-screen navigation, but there is a Magisk module to disable the hardware keys, so that's not a problem. Yeah, now let's get to good stuff. The camera. This is the Google camera mod for the OnePlus devices. The one I've linked in the description should be the one that works 100%. Well, I say 100%. I like it to work 100%, and that's this one here. Allow it, and it comes up, and then boom, you got your portrait mode. If that doesn't work, there's a fix for that, but it seems to be working fine in here. And you've also got your night sight. It's a bit laggy, as you can see, so if you do want to fix, install Magisk, and then there's a module. If you want to know how to do that, I'll upload another video. But for now, there you have it. Your OnePlus 3T is now a Pixel. I think it's got the same specs as a Pixel, except for it's got more RAM. So, if there's anything else you need to know, if you get stuck on anything, just comment. Please subscribe. I'm going to start making more videos when I've got time, but I do work a lot. Yeah, I hope you enjoy it. If you need to know anything else, just let me know. Thanks. See you in the next video.